Well, hello and welcome. I would show my face, but I am very tired. It's like 3 in the morning for me. They have a workshop in now, and I already downloaded a couple. It's like a bunch of traffic ones, but hey, the traffic ones are really fun. So, thank you for watching the last video too. It helped out a lot, you know, seeing all those numbers, and I know it's not a lot, but whatever, you know what I mean. So subscribe for one, it does help me out. Two, to the guy that was talking crap that didn't show my face, I have plenty of other videos where I'm showing my face. Stop being a crybaby. Alright? Go watch someone else that shows their face if you don't like it. Literally, I show my face in other videos, just not that one. Okay? Stop being a bitch. Who cares? Now, they did add a new level. Glove pizza. I do also want to do more of these levels, like barrel jump. Or cruise control. Or even try some of these other ones, you know, that we haven't done. And try the racing, because the racing seems really fun. I really want to try that. But for right now, we're going to work on some workshop levels. Now, this one says traffic pack surprise. The fuck? Bro, what? How do you... Oh yeah, they added this, the cruiser, the smooth cruiser. Is this level is shit, I'm not gonna lie to you. This level's ass. Oh shit. That's it? It's just one thing? You just basically get spawn trapped? Yeah, that's not fun. Crossy road. Let's do this. And the smooth cruiser. I'll control it. I'm just gonna go straight though. We gotta make it. Okay. Okay. We're good. Fuck. Not enough. Damn, this is a lot. So I guess what we want to see what can make it across and what can't make it across. Well, let's start with the milk van then. We also need a honey. Where's our honey? I still don't know how to put a... Where's Dave? I don't know how to put my face on it still, so... Yeah. Here we go. I think we're already about to crash. Dude. We didn't even get past the first fucking... The first two. I'm sorry, I'm yawning. I'm tired. I got it. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I won't control it. I keep controlling it and I keep forgetting. Go! Alright, we won't put that in. Get the ramp. Get the ramp. Where's the ramp? Come on, baby. I am fucking full speed. And look at Miss Dava. Damn, girl. That was kind of lame. Oh, she flew out of the car. Oh. Go. You're good. Go. You're good. My boy. Oh, damn. Oh my goodness. No! Decapitation. Oh, man. Damn. She flew out of the car immediately. I know he gets through to right here, but... He gets destroyed by that fucking car. And then the bus. The bus rolled over my head. My decapitation. Make it across. Yeah! Okay. Ah. So it's kind of like booty too. I don't even know what's gonna... Damn, that's big. Do we have to make it all the way down there? I don't know what's happening, but go for it. Go. Merge with the highway. Okay, we're good. Why are they so fast? Yeah, that's why I love the squealer. You stupid. Get out of the way. Road racetrack. What the fuck? I am tired. Oh, no. Come on, make it, baby. Make it, make it, make it. Eh. Ah. Come on. The perfect balance, by the way. Oh. Damn. How hard did I get hit? Whoa. No, there goes the truck, or the chair. The chair went flying, by the way. Oh, what? It doesn't show the top. No. Yeah, that, it got destroyed and I just saw it fly by. Like, damn, that thing was hauling. Dragging her foot along. Okay, okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. What the fuck? What the? Oh, Miss Diva's gone. Go, 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 you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, go. What the fuck? She just keeps sliding by. Minefield Classic, baby. Go. Just go. Immediately. Go just immediately. I love this old one. This is a classic! Oh, it's kind of laggy. Oh my gosh. This one doesn't have much fazzazzle. Hold on. Let me get some fazzazzle with it. Everyone, let's fucking go. 8 party bus, baby! No, we got fucking... Well, we are not going to be seeing what's happening, so we got to wait for the replay. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. We got fucking flung out immediately, so we're going to follow the car. Slow it down. Too fast still, my gosh. The first point of contact was... her body. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me just free camera. Everyone got fucking flung. And that's where he got thrown out. I got thrown out. Oh my. Okay, let's speed it up. Because I'm pretty sure everyone just hit. Yeah, they didn't really hit anything. Oh, come on, man. Man. We waited for nothing. We'll do one more. One more, one more, one more, one more, one more. Haven't launched barely at all. Go down. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I think that one was way better. Someone's head's rolling. Way better. Oopsie, sorry. We'll have them go at like medium speed because the speed boost will. Yeah. There we go. Are we gonna hit the wall and just stall? No, we're not. We're gonna make it to the last one. And everyone got to die. Damn! Everyone got dunked out like a bowl of fucking eggs. Oh, laggy. Oh, it's laggy. Oh, who is that? That's Miss Dismount. She flew off way too early. She landed somewhere safe. But these guys, in fact, did not land somewhere safe. They... Look how they all spilled out. I'm surprised he's hanging onto the steering wheel still. Oh my gosh. Look at that, crushed by the engine. Right here. This is destroyed. I'm surprised his head did not come off. His head should have came off, but it did not. I wanted to do this one again, out of the office. Because, as you know, we could not get this one at all. We gotta get this hot dog. Now we got everyone with us. We're doing it. Oh. Alright, we're Gucci, we're Gucci. We're Gucci, we're Gucci, we're Gucci, we're Gucci. Oh, we lost a lot of people. Oh. It's glitching, it's glitching. Oh, fuck. Come on, man. No, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're still walking. Come on, baby, come on, baby. Don't let him pin you. Don't let him pin you. Fucking drive. People are in the back seat. Come on. Dude. Will you drive? Oh my gosh, this fucking game. Wait, wait, wait. There's a chair in my car. Ah. One more time. Come on, baby. Shit. Shit. Thank you. Never mind. Why is this one just impossible? Like, what the hell? Can't do that one at all. Let's try one of these new maps. Come on, dude. Survive for 60 seconds. Here we go, here we go, here we go. What the fuck? Oh, shit. I'm just punching everything. Oh, bitch. No, I split myself in half, you stupid fuck. Let's see. Let's let him do it. He's got it. He's got it. I'm gonna just let the AI do it. What the fuck? Alright, I got it, never mind. Punch this guy immediately. Shit! Whoa, that guy went flying. Where did that cop go? Hey, dick! Oh, you asshole. Boogie bus? Got fine shit and Huz at the top. Or Huns, not Huz. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, that was useless. Fine shit was too heavy. It's fucking heavy. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Shit, dude, okay. The steering on this guy? How did you lose steering, my guy? You're still at the fucking wheel. Like, what? Oh, that's when it's laggy. What the fuck? I don't know what happens here, but go. Just go. Survive for 60 seconds. Alright. Go, dude. Go, 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 go. I'm not controlling it. It's doing... Why? Why? And he got sent flying. And he got spilled off like a fucking bowl of soup. One more, one more, one more, one more. Okay. Let's do this. Party bus. Not bus. Let's actually do this. Send off, baby. Send us off. Send us off. Send us off. I got this, actually. Oh. Yeah. Come on, come on. Turn, 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 turn. There's no way. I'm still surviving, though. I'm still standing. Come on. Can I? I'm trying not to. You can never know what it's like. Just hang off from this. No! Man. Man. I was about to get T-boned. Man, this is hard. The game is hard for some reason. These workshop maps have got to get better. Definitely, because too much traffic ones, I'd say. I'm going to end it there, though. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't like it, subscribe. If you're a hater, I don't really care. But... If you didn't like it though, yeah, just subscribe. Oh my gosh, it's 4 in the morning for me. I'm tired. Just subscribe, yeah. Follow TikTok, Instagram. Bye.
This is the end of the viddy. Now subscribe to me.